Hey everyone, I'm Bonnie Divine. Have you ever been searching for a wig, but it was just so difficult for you to choose a wig because there was just so many to choose from? Well, I come to you today because that changes today. Bonnie Divine Wigs. BonnieDivineWigs.myshopify.com has the perfect wig for you. And you don't have to browse through millions of wigs to find the perfect one, to find the divine one for you. I've created the best website for you with the best selling wigs on the market right now. No need to browse through millions of wigs anymore. I have chosen the best of the best. Check out BonnieDivineWigs.myshopify.com and complete your own divine look today. Welcome to BonnieDivineWigs.myshopify.com. As you guys can see, we have categories to choose from at the top. Divine lace front wigs, divine bundles, divine accessories, whatever you would like to browse and look through. As you can see, that's me. Shout out to Felicia for the beautiful photo. And ladies, you are divine and you deserve a divine wig for sure. All right, as we scroll down, we have our divine lace front deals. We have a variety. We have burgundy, 613, natural colors, straight, curly, you name it. And as we scroll down some more, we have our collection. So you can select divine lace front wigs, divine bundles, or divine accessories. Let's click divine lace front wigs. All right, and so once we click that, we will have some more wigs. So I know you guys can see what we just previously saw, but as we scroll down some more, we have more of a variety to choose from. So again, we have our straight, we have our curly, we have highlight wigs, we have colored wigs, you name it, we have it here at Bonnie Divine Wigs. So let's click on a product. Our highlight ombre. I thought this was absolutely beautiful. Great quality wig. And you can see here that you can choose from a variety of different inches. We have 10 inches to 30 inches. We have different methods of payment. So try to make it as convenient for you to choose the perfect and divine wig for you. And you guys, if you click on the photo will enlarge so you can see more of the details of the wig. As you can see, we have our divine bundles. We have a water wave and we have a straight. Keep in mind, ladies, I will be adding more products to the website. If there's anything in particular that you would like, just let me know. So as you can see, we have different inches for our bundles. And again, I only choose the best of the best to make it easy for everyone to choose their divine wig. And there was one more wig I wanted to show you guys because I thought it was absolutely beautiful. And it's this burgundy wig. Look at that, you guys. It's so beautiful. So if you're interested in creating your own divine look, check out our website, BonnieDivineWigs.myshopify.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful and great day today. Don't forget to share this link with someone that loves wigs and someone that loves bundles. Share it with them. I'm sure they will be happy. Bye.